Acum. Hello, this is Carmen. I want to make a tutorial about WizIQ, how to use WizIQ. I can switch on the microphone and the camera, which is allowed. The timer is set at 30 minutes. I can extend the timer. I close it. This is the layout change, the screen share, sorry. But I don't have the extension, I will download it. As Dr. Nelly taught us in her tutorial. I have tried this many times but didn't succeed, but finally I did. And I have to enter my email. So that I can have this extension. I hope it's okay. I don't know. I change my... Adun telefonul. Îmi trebuie... I will get back to WizIQ.